speed is like game changer because like I obviously told I am not even touched with my books. After looking into the videos, I realized, okay, my main goal is to complete all the speed videos. I am a speed student since 3 years, sir, almost since from my final year of MD General Medicine.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Lakshmi Bhargavi for scoring a topmost rank of CML 1 and AML 5 in the specialty of DM Neurology in INISS session April 2024. Congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Doctor, can we know a brief background from where you started your career till date, what all you have done?
Yeah, yes. I did my MBBS from Guntur Medical College, sir, Andhra Pradesh. And I did my MD General Medicine from Usmania Medical College, Hyderabad. Completed it in the year 2022, sir.
And why DM Neurology? Where you got this interest and how you developed it?
Yeah, neurology, it's not like a new thing, sir. Since from my MBBS days only, I am interested in neurology. Like whatever the subject may be, whether it is anatomy or physiology or pharma, my system of interest is always neurology, sir. So I used to study, if any subject I'm starting, first I used to study the system neurology. Even a HOD from Guntur Medical College, neurology HOD, he inspired me because the way he is approaching, the way he is diagnosing the cases, yeah, even he inspired me.
Great. Once you decided to do neurology, then what did you do? You wanted to prepare for NEET SS or INISS. How did you start your preparation?
Actually, I took a break, sir, after my MD General Medicine. Even my PG days also, I studied general medicine as a whole, but I didn't prepare for this specifically for neurology. And also after that, took a break after my MD General Medicine for these 2 years. I had a kid now, 1 year kid, and 5 months before this exam only, I realized like I want to do in institute for this neurology part, and I started my preparations from speed 5 months since 5 months before the exam.
Okay, how you did speed? How did you come across, and what is your experience?
Yeah, actually, speed. I am a speed student since 3 years, sir. Almost since from my final year of MD General Medicine. But at that time, I watched only general medicine videos, like for theory exams and for case discussions and all. I had a few notes from few systems and all. But later, 1 year, like after this, I joined in my senior residency, and at that time I didn't use that app much. Like when I started this, and again I renewed my account, and then I started preparing from speed.
Great, doctor. Now, can you tell us what is your preparation timings? How much you prepare per day?
Yeah, initially it was very difficult for me, sir, because I'm telling that break of 2 years, I haven't touched my Harrison. So starting, which made me like very interesting, is Jobanpreet sir videos, obviously, because I started. The best thing is I started with his videos. It was so interesting. Like I don't want to skip a part, and also he'll cover like every important points from Harrison. There is no need to look back into Harrison after his videos. Initially, after 1 to 2 topics, I used to see even in Harrison. Later, I realized that okay, there is no need to look into the book. Sir is covering like everything. After his videos, then I went into like Harrison live sessions from Speed. Then I opened INISS Speed INISS thing from medical group, and then I started watching of all Bradley videos. Speed is like game changer because like I obviously told I am not even touched with my books. Initially, I was very worried like how to prepare and all. After looking into the videos, I realized, okay, my main goal is to complete all the speed videos from general medicine, from medical group, from Joban sir class, and then again from Bradley videos. And just to complete all that 7-8 marks, I think, just to complete all that marks is my goal initially.
Great. Now, how many questions did you attend this exam?
I attempted all 80 questions.
Wow, great. Congratulations. Very
Thank you, sir. I was a little bit worried about general medicine because I have that confidence. I covered almost all topics of neurology, but I didn't had the time to go into general medicine. I have to spend even some time with my kid and all. So I'm worried about general medicine, but luckily, it's from the topics which I studied.
Doctor, now your plan to join which institute now? You have the option with you.
Sir, actually, I have no thought of this ranking one, cracking one, and all. Only thing in my mind is I want to join NIMHANS. That's
Okay.
my only goal. So I thought like it's okay, 10, 15 ranks also is fine because I can get into NIMHANS. That's my only this thing.
So now you're moving to Bangalore now. Niman's Bangalore.
Mostly, yes, sir.
Very good,
Mostly,
very good. Very, very happy for you.
yes, sir.
Now, what will be your advice to juniors who are aspiring for DM Neurology?
Yes, sir. The main thing why I am giving also one to thank all the speed faculties and to tell everyone that if I can do it, anyone can do it. That's for sure because after this break and all, managing kid and all, because of using speed and revising revising with the classes and doing all that mock tests and all many revisions I'm able to crack. So if I can do it, yes, anyone can do it. Time management is the one thing which is very important, sir, because we everyone must have schedule like how to complete the videos and again revising minimum 3 revisions is must, I feel.
Okay. Doctor, what is your experience on the interview?
This one, sir.
Interview of this AIMS interview.
my my experience is not that good, sir, because this is my first INISS attempt.
Hmm.
And initially I was like, oh, okay, I was qualified to interview for my first attempt. And then actually I'm so worried. I have seen Joban sir stage to these things, and literally it will give confidence whether that questions will come or not. It will give us some confidence. Okay, interview will be like this, we can go into interview. They ask me very easy questions, and also it is just for 2 minutes, very short interview. Yeah, but the thing is I was the my tension, I was like very worried, and literally I was blank for few seconds. Yeah, that made my rank go from CML 1 to AML 5. But it's okay. I have that confidence because of that stage 2 session which is conducted by Joban sir.
Very good, doctor. Now, time to thank whom all you want to thank. You can thank finally for build your career.
Yes, sir. Obviously, it's my husband because after being married and managing an infant, it's actually initial stages. It's been very difficult. I didn't even had whether I can attempt the exam, idea of whether I can attempt or not. But it's because of he's like he's my guide in everything. And again, it's my parents, in-laws, siblings, many of the people from my family helped me because every time they used to visit and they used to stay for few days so that they can manage the kid and I can study, so that I can spend time to study. So I want to thank my family, my siblings, my in-laws, my sisters and brothers. And one thing I should not miss is obviously speed faculty, because I had very good experience. Joban sir classes were literally so good. Whenever I was low, or like, I again rewatch his classes. I revise. I will go through his classes so that I'll get some confidence. Okay, and then even other departments like even rheumatology, sir. Arun Tiwari sir, even his classes was amazing. Like the way he'll start lecture with an opening case and he'll end with some important points. And also like gastro classes, Dr.
Dheeraj.
Dheeraj sir. Yeah, because Dheeraj sir builds a lot of confidence, sir. Every time he's in his lectures, he used to say, "See, you don't need to touch books. You don't need to go through any super specialty books. You just listen to my class. It's enough to crack whether it is NEET or INISS." He gives a lot of confidence. Even cardiology, sir, Ajim sir. Speed is having very great faculty, and thank you so much to you also, sir.
Thank you,
And
doctor.
even my friends, one of my friend is doing, even they are speed students. One of my friend, he's doing cardiology in PJ, and one is doing cardiology in AIMS Bhubaneswar. And they helped me a lot. Like I was very worried about general medicine part. Yeah, they helped me too. But literally very thanks to speed faculty, sir.
Very, very nice, doctor. Very nice of you. Yeah, all the faculties will be listening to this lecture. Your
Yes.
interview, and they'll be very feel happy, honored.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
These are nice
sir.
words. The entire team will be motivated.
Thank you, sir.
We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career ahead in the
Thank you.
immunology. Keep
Thank
going,
you, sir.
and you are in your specialty that you wanted, and now a lot of happiness will be in you. And with that happiness, you learn a lot of things.
Yeah,
And
after writing the exam, I had like I had a thought of, okay, I get a decent rank, but I didn't expect this rank one. It's literally surprising. And I should thank the speed faculty for sure, sir.
Great, doctor. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. It was great talking to you. I have seen like many videos from like toppers, but finally I was able to talk with you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great. Okay, doctor. Wish you all the best and all the success and a great career ahead. Best
Okay,
wishes.
thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.